Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hotmail or Outlook application if it is not receiving any emails. So let's get started right away. If you're using the Outlook or Hotmail email service and you notice that you are not receiving your emails even though you are supposed to, then there are a few ways that you can go about on fixing this issue. The first thing to check is to see if your internet connection is stable enough. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi or data connection, and if you are, then open up any other application that uses the internet and see if they're working as well. If they are working just fine, then your internet connection is good to go. The second thing to do is to make sure that your application sync settings is turned on. Drag down the notification pane from the top and drag down the control shortcuts as well. Now swipe towards the right and make sure that sync is turned on. If it is turned off. After making sure that sync is turned on, also check for updates for the Outlook app. Open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store and then search for Microsoft Outlook. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. After the updates are installed and you see open once again, you can tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If your email is now being received and your issue is fixed, then you're all good to go. Otherwise, you can long press on the Outlook application and tap on the Info button. From the application info page, first of all tap on Force Stop at the bottom right and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. From the storage page, tap on Clear Cache and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then tap on Clear Data as well, and then the Delete button to remove all of your user data for the Outlook or Hotmail application. After this step is completed, you will need to log into your account once again, but now your issue of mails not being received will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the issue on the Hotmail or the Outlook application if your email is not being received. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.